Hello, this is Wilton White from Spot On Success TV, and I'm here to give you a quick review of the HostGator web hosting platform. Okay, HostGator is one of the world's top hosting companies, and they host millions of domains worldwide. HostGator is like one of the top leaders among the web hosting companies, and they provide great customer support, and they're a very solid hosting platform. I've been using them now for roughly about almost 2 years, and I've always had a great experience with them. My tech support issues have always been handled very quickly, and those issues were really either some questions that I had on how to do something, or those questions were how to correct some kind of mistake that I made. So let's quickly give a quick rundown of HostGator, and I'm at the web page right now, and as you can see, they're actually having a Black Friday sale, today only sale. And so if you don't see this in time, which more than likely probably won't, I still got you covered, because if you go ahead and click through my link, you're able to get you can use a discount coupon. The discount coupon code is Spot On Success. You'll see it in the article or below the video, and you'll be able to get a discount that way as well. Okay. All right. Once again, HostGator is a world leader in shared hosting, reseller hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated server web hosting. Okay, they're located out of Houston, Texas right now, and they've been in business for about over 10 years now, and they host more than 8 million sites right now on the web, and that number is growing, of course, because the web is growing. All right. Okay, I won't keep going back in this. Let's go to the web hosting right now. Once again, I said they host like 4 different type of accounts. The first is just the regular web hosting account. Okay. And it's called shared hosting, and this is the most common type of hosting package, and because this is where you control a single domain and with unlimited bandwidth and disk space allocation. You can also create as many subdomains as you like as well. You can get a brief rundown on the features of this package as well. So each one of these really represents a package, a web hosting package, which is also the shared hosting package, the reseller hosting package, VPS hosting package, and dedicated server hosting package. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the reseller hosting. This is actually the account that I have, reseller hosting. Okay, and this is the most common type of hosting package for web designers and developers, or those who are maybe in internet marketing or some type of online marketing industry. Okay, basically a special control panel allows you to manage and provide your customers or yourself with individual user control panels that you can use to create or modify websites. I know that sounds a little bit confusing, but if you go to my video that I have on the website, you'll be able to see me go through a quick example on how to use HostGator's cPanel to quickly create a website in right under 2 minutes. And so it's really very fast. It takes no time at all to create a full-blown website on the internet using the cPanel. Okay, here's just a little bit more information about this. Let's go over to the VPS hosting. Okay, VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. Okay, with this type of hosting package, you have like really expanded control over what software is installed on your hosting platform, and you can get into some advanced functionality. And it's virtual in the sense that that you're allocated one of several private servers that are running on a single hardware platform. Okay. And so basically there can be other people that have private servers that are all running on that single hardware platform, the single hardware and the physical machine, but they're all have their own separate memory spaces, own separate disk allocation spaces. I mean, everything's separate. So don't confuse this with the shared service, which may be you can have, like, I guess possibly even 100 different accounts on the same machine, or even a virtual type of machine. And this one you have your own private server, and so and there's much more control over what you have installed on that package. The VPS was really meant to be a bridge between the shared and the dedicated servers, and I don't hear that being used as much, but for the cost, for the price point, it's good for people who are very, very advanced into web development. Okay. All right, that's basically it for the VPS hosting. Okay, and let's go to the dedicated servers. All right, the dedicated servers. This type of hosting package is essentially the supply of advanced hosting software and the rental of a private physical server to handle your most demanding hosting needs. Okay, this is where you're actually renting a physical hardware device from HostGator to actually be the hosting platform for all of your hosting needs. And obviously, since you're basically renting a powerful physical server, now you can expect the price point to be a little bit higher on this. And this is for people, for companies, businesses who have huge amounts of traffic, and actually maybe even required to have dedicated servers because of that, because of those huge traffic demands and huge CPU demands that they get from having so many visitors and so much activity that are concurrent on the servers at once. Okay, so that's now the review of the 4 types of shared hosting, reseller hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated server hosting. And once again, I work with a reseller account because this provides me with the most flexibility and price benefit for my internet marketing needs. But if you're just starting out and definitely want to just get your feet wet, by all means use the shared hosting package, and there are a few types of shared hosting packages available. They all fall under the web hosting category here, and the different plans under that hosting category. And if you do start with the web hosting, I would suggest you at least go with the baby plan, so that you're not limited on your number of domains that you can have. Okay. Again, I have the reseller hosting, and that's if you're going to be doing a lot more business. Okay. All right. Let's go back here. Okay, you can sign up for a HostGator account by visiting the website. I'll provide a link for that at the end of this video, and so you can either use my link and get a discount that way, or just use my coupon code of Spot On Success, and you get a special discount that way. And so you can get up to 25% off, or actually get a flat $9.94 off of a hosting package. Okay, and HostGator provides plenty of video tutorials, and so that's excellent customer support, and so there's quite a bit for you to get in case you need help. Here's our support page, contact support, live chat, create tickets, manage billing. Their support's been great for every time that I've used them, and so I think that you'll find that they're pretty receptive and pretty responsive as well. Okay. And the win. Right now is a great time to sign up with HostGator. Like I said, today they're having a Black Friday sale. I would not put it past them to extend this sale through the weekend. And of course, there's Cyber Monday. So, and then even beyond that, you're going to have sales leading all up till Christmas. So, this is a great time to get the hosting. Use my coupon code to get an additional discount, and you could really be good to go. And so HostGator, like I said, the cPanel is to me one of the major features, because it makes it really easy for you to control all the aspects of your site, as well as set up a website. And once again, you can see the video for that on my website, on the spotonsuccess.tv website. We have automated site installations, email setup, database configurations, site bandwidth monitoring, site disk usage monitoring. You can see your system status, and numerous other control features that probably more than you need to manage and monitor your domains and the website installations. Okay. All right. As for any final thoughts, I've tried a couple of other hosting platforms as well, and I just definitely return back to HostGator, and they're right now my only source of web hosting software. The other platforms that I tried either lacked the necessary support I needed, or the features that I wanted. Okay, so if you're really serious about online entrepreneurship or internet marketing, or really doing much with web hosting, creating websites, and then you're going to need a good, solid web hosting platform that you can really trust. And I must say, Aweber has been good to me. It's been my #1 choice, and I highly recommend that you give them a try. Okay. Well, thank you very much for joining me on this very brief video, and once again, get HostGator, and I look forward to hearing from you. All right, take care. Bye bye.